Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make elderberry extract. This simple guide will walk you through creating your own homemade remedy, perfect for supporting wellness. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final storage, ensuring you have a potent and delicious extract. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master, providing a natural option for your home. Let's get started on this easy and rewarding project. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried elderberries, which are readily available online or at health food stores. For the liquid base, measure out 3 cups of filtered water. To enhance the flavor and benefits, you might also want to include 1 cinnamon stick or 2 tablespoons of fresh, grated ginger. These additions are optional but highly recommended for a richer extract. Having everything ready makes the next step smooth. Now it's time to cook. Combine your elderberries, water, and any optional spices in a medium saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it simmer for approximately 45 minutes or until the liquid has reduced by nearly 1/2. The berries will soften and release their beneficial compounds. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. This step is crucial for potency. Once simmered, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, pressing the berries to extract all the juice. Discard the solids. While the liquid is still warm, stir in 1/2 cup of honey or maple syrup until fully dissolved. This not only sweetens but also acts as a preservative. Pour your finished elderberry extract into a clean, airtight jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.